How you doing, Mike? Innovative Door. We're going to show you the 3200 timberlast. This is just the raised panel, or excuse me, long panel, 2-inch thick timberlast door. Nice wood tone look. We complemented the almond X jams with the almond weather strip. This does come with all nylon ball wheels. Our Hormann pinch resistant door, which is an excellent feature. Just will not pinch your fingers. Okay. Super ultra quiet. Okay. Torsion springs, 30,000 cycle. Our 8355 LiftMaster MyQ powering the door. Our special custom bracket that goes over the header to mount the opener. Photo eyes, lift handle, and step plate. Like we said, the door is 2 inches thick. Okay. Look at that big tongue and groove. I love that. It's just a huge tongue and groove, and it's got a great lip seal on there, so it seals up nice. That's it. The Hormann 3210 timberlast long panel door. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our timberlast video, and as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.